So I got a 2000 Golf GL 2.0, and I keep having problems. It's kind of dark outside right now, guys, but let me show you something. I keep having problems with my secondary air pump, okay? And let me put it over here. I already replaced the pump, and it didn't work. So I ended up replacing 2 of those for the air, for the solenoids. I'm gonna show you in a little bit. And still the same thing. Car, you be driving and the car will die on you. And I couldn't figure out what was the problem. So I checked the hoses were okay. You guys can see right there, still pending. So couldn't figure out what was the problem. So I decided to take this one off. You look inside in here. See all that? That's dirty and filled. So see, the air will not come out in here. So that was my problem. So let me show you what I changed. So this is the hose. I checked them, make sure they're okay. This is where it goes in here. This is my pump that I replaced. My hose, this is the solenoid that I replaced. And there's a vacuum that goes in the back of the intake right here, and it connects here. And this hose right here and this hose is the one that plugs there, and it plugs in here. So, and I guess can see, but see that that's where it goes in. It connects. It sits on here like this. And you have to remove the shield. See how dirty it is in here? And this one's just like this. And we got 2 bolts. You can get them out there. And all you gotta do is clean this one. I can do it with my hand. This one out. Coming out. Oh, the dirt inside of it. Just gotta keep cleaning it.